I come looking for you with Haitians. I stay smoking on good Jamaican. I fuck bitches from different races. You get money, they started hating. I woke up in a new Bugatti.
Yeah, what's up? It's your boy DJ Blackjack. Chilling at Platinum Studio, working on my mixtape, Moving the Work Volume 1. You know what I'm saying? Hosted by my boy J Creole. You know, coming out March 15th. You wanna download it, check it out at .piff. You know, HaitianRap.com. Coast to Coast mixtape. You know, it's gonna be hot, man. Seneca Entertainment going big this year. You know, it's all about grinding, you know what I'm saying? 247 tip. Alright, so check me out. 2013, DJ Blackjack. Moving the Work, Volume 1. Want a big shout out goes to all the artists that send me their tracks and stuff like that. Much love. And check me out, man. Blackjack 21. Yeah! Ça passe?
What's good, y'all? You already know what it is. Your boy J Girl out here, you feel me? Rolling with DJ Blackjack. Our Platinum Studio, that's what it is, man. Homeboy putting in work. You know, that's what it is, you already know. Mixtape coming out March 15th. Moving the Work, Volume 1. I mean, you gotta cop that. You know, it's already though. .piff, you know what I mean? HaitianRap.com. Coast to Coast mixtape. It's gonna be there, man. Hot this, you know what I mean? Get it. That's pretty much what it is. So boy again, J Creole, you know, we're about to conclude the party, you know what I mean? Like, so we just want to thank our guests for coming here tonight, you know what I mean? We got the shit on the media and all that, you know what I mean? DJ Blackjack pushing it, you know what I mean? Pushing it all day, moving the work, mixtape coming up soon. I'm your leader.